Thank you. Next speaker.
The next speaker is Robert Bevis, followed by Thomas Ewald.
Good evening, Counsel. Robert from Law Weapons. You know, over a decade ago, George Pradel, then mayor of Naperville, contacted Law Weapons and invited us to move our thriving business here to Naperville. We obliged, and the relationship flourished, providing comprehensive services to the Naperville community, including gun sales, safety education, and providing firearm services for the local police department. But then, in 2022, Naperville rushed to join the mob mentality and rip the rug from under Law Weapons' feet. They enacted an unconstitutional ordinance banning the sale of history's most popular semi-automatic rifles. That has severely affected Law Weapons and the civil rights of over 50,000 gun owners that live in Naperville. The Appellate Court will soon critically examine Judge Kendall's ruling and her massive failure to apply Supreme Court precedent properly. There are at least 2 other instances where the Appellate Court has reversed Judge Kendall's rulings on gun rights cases, and we expect no different outcome in this case. Even the U.S. Supreme Court has indicated an extraordinary interest in this case. The Supreme Court just yesterday, this is the U.S. Supreme Court, highest court in the land, just yesterday told Naperville they must respond by 11 a.m. on Monday, May 8th, to the Law Weapons injunction that's been sent to them. This extraordinary nature of Naperville's law and Judge Kendall's ruling is confirmed because the Supreme Court rarely accepts any review while appellate courts are still in their process. Naperville has injured us with this ordinance, and Law Weapons is ready to see the fight through to its conclusion. The National Foundation for Gun Rights, Law Weapons, and a growing army of outraged Americans have joined us in this fight. We will not stop until this ordinance is defeated and the cost and damages are paid in full. It would be in the best interest of Naperville to take immediate action to mitigate the harm to its reputation and to the taxpayers' financial security. I encourage the council to immediately act to stop any further enforcement of this ordinance and begin negotiations to resolve the remaining self-inflicted damage that has been caused for the denial of Law Weapons civil rights, the financial loss, and the hardship we've endured. I'm Robert Bevis, Law Weapons owner, proud American, and forced by Naperville to be a civil rights defender. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And the next speaker.